Hey guys, so we're reviewing this pet grooming kit from UPROOT Clean, and this is the actual device. It is very compact, which I absolutely love. It's not heavy, it's easy to store, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, which I love. So this is what it looks like. You have this part right here to wrap the cord around. This is for the vacuum, the setting to go from low to high. And on this side, you'll attach the hose for the dryer, and you'll press this button right here for heat. And this is the hose that it comes with. So you got a nice long hose. Again, this side is for the dryer. This side is when you're de-shedding and grooming your cat or dog. Now I have both a cat and a dog, so this is perfect for me. Now I wanted to be able to get my cat and dog on camera, but unfortunately it's hard for them to stay still, and my cat doesn't like loud noises. So when I'm de-shedding my cat, I have to keep the vacuum off, de-shed them, and then turn it on to get the hair into the vacuum. So it's a little process with my cat. My dog does stay still a little longer, but trying to film him, he's just all over the place. So I have a French bulldog who is short hair, and you would think with a French bulldog that they don't shed a lot. Let me tell you, they do. Hair everywhere. Since using this product for the last 2 weeks, less hair. And I am being completely honest with you guys, less hair. I de-shed him once a week and less hair. He has a cage area where he sleeps at night, and when I tell you that just regular, not de-shedding him, it will be so much hair. I would vacuum it, and probably like 2, maybe 3 days later, it is filled with hair again. I de-shedded him one time, cleaned that hair from around his cage, and it's like very little hair after a week. So I'm in love with it. My cat, less hair all over the house. I'm just super happy with this product. So let me just share a little bit more about it and all the tools that come with it. So this is the canister, and you press this button, this will pop off. Now I left the hair in here that I de-shedded off my cat today, just so you guys can see like all that hair that's in there. So this, I'm telling you, is perfect. So you pull this off, and then you take this portion off right here, and you can empty it out. It snaps back in, very easy. Again, the hose will go on this side, and then the attachments that come with it. So if you're looking to trim your dog, your cat, it does come with a trimmer, and you get the attachments, different attachments. So you don't, you want to trim just a little bit, you can trim a little bit. It has 4 different attachments for the trimmer. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you have 4 different heads to attach to the trimmer. It comes with batteries inside the box as well, so you don't have to buy your own batteries. And this is the trimmer on. So this button right here does control the speed of it. So absolutely perfect. You attach this to the hole, and as you're trimming, the hair will get sucked into here and into the canister. Perfect. Literally like less cleanup. So the second tool is the daily grooming brush. So all you do, again, attach this to the hose. You'll press this, and the bristles will come out, and you can groom and brush your cat and dog. And as you're doing that, you can have the vacuum on whatever level that you need it on. Again, for me, I have to keep mine off for my cat, because any little sound, he's running. So you put that on, and then the hair will just go in there as you're grooming them. Perfect. Hair won't be all over the place, which I absolutely love. So the next is my favorite product, and this is the de-shedder. And on the top of these products, it'll tell you whether you use it weekly or daily, how often to use it. This is weekly. Now for my cat, because my cat does not sit still for a long period of time, I do need to de-shed him twice a week. So I do partial, and then the second, like a few days later, I will de-shed him again. So this is what it looks like as you're brushing and de-shedding them. Once all the hair is in here, you'll press this button. It'll push the hair forward and suck it into the vacuum. Love, love, love this. I have a French bulldog, as I stated, and this is perfect for him. De-shed him, get all that loose hair off of him. Perfect. I love this. This is like the best attachment. This is probably the attachment that I will use more than any of the other attachments because it works perfectly for both of my animals. So we have this attachment right here, which just, you know, it's like part of a vacuum. Just get any excess hair that may be around your house. You can use this suction, this attachment right here. And then if you have a couch or any type of fabric around your house that may have pet hair on it, you can use this one right here. And this is the pet hair remover for hard fabrics. And you just use this as needed. Brush it. You know, again, it's attached to the hose. You brush and you get any cat hair and dog hair off of your products. So those are all the attachment. It comes with instructions, of course, so make sure you read your instructions. Everything's inside here. It tells you everything you need to know about the product, how to clean it, everything's inside. All the attachments, how to use them, how often to use them will be inside your instruction manual. So that's pretty much it, guys. I give this product a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love it. It's less cleaning for me. I don't have to vacuum as often because there's less hair around the house. So if you have a dog or a cat, I highly recommend this product. So I will leave all of UPROOT Clean's information in the description box so you can purchase your own pet grooming kit, and I will have a discount code in there as well to save you guys some money. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you stay positive and always smile. I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye, guys.